So you know what's crazy though? It's like normally, like when you buy things, especially when it's for you, you completely like you want to be the one that unboxes them. Because that's yours. You know, like when you go to the store. What I've noticed is like the past couple of times that I bought a new phone, I go to the store and they try to open the box for me, and it's like whoa, this is my experience. And you know that companies, right? They do research on the boxes, and they create their boxes to create like this sensation for the buyer, right? You know, and it's like a whole thing, right? They really put some thought into the box. It's just not a box. They put some thought in when he opens it. It's got to feel this way. It's got to look this way. You know what I mean? And they're trying to take that. Don't let nobody take that from you. Nobody. The difference here is that he's bought brand new cars. I drive them off the lot. I've bought brand new cars, and he drives them off the lot. That's rare. That's freaking rare. You drove my AMG home. And that was like an hour drive.
What about girlfriends?
Sorry, children.
This is why we don't invite
This was his first and his last time. Everybody say bye to AKA Dirty Boy. He's gone. That's it. He's not invited no. Man, I'm telling you, I know I took a sip on camera. Look at this. This is not that. This is on my day today. Hey, that's it, man. That's the last time you come to my studio. I'm cussing. Look at me. Okay. Anyways, we're gonna get this video's not even gonna make it. All right, man. Let's just open this. Don't put my knife away. Let's get this. Let's go. It distracted me. Let's go. But you're right, dude. Next time you get a girlfriend, dude, I get to drive her home.
first.
Didn't you owe me one? Can I get a test drive? Woo woo. Hey, let me test drive it, dude. Come on, dog. Before you get too many miles on it. Can I test drive it before the first oil change?
Before he gets the Wi-Fi.
Look, man, I don't want it. I don't want it if she needs service. All right, come on. We broke it. Why? Can I press a button? Can I press a button?
You guys need a binary outtakes video.
Oh, we do. We have those.
Yeah.
So he f***ed up and didn't leave the camera on, so we missed a couple shots, but I got you.
Oh, just